This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by putting on gloves and confirming the engine is cold, safety first. Once done, grab the replacement bulb, a flat screwdriver, and a clean rag. Open the hood, locate the headlight housing at the front corner, and remove any small cover or clips blocking access. This may be a plastic dust cap or an inner fender clip. Make sure to rest the hood securely and position a light so you can see the back of the headlamp assembly clearly before moving on to the bulb removal step. Next, remove the dust cap and note how the electrical connector sits so you can reconnect it the same way. Once the cap is off, depress the retaining spring or twist the socket counterclockwise. Different Civics use either method, then gently pull the old bulb straight out. Compare the new bulb to the old one for matching type and orientation. Insert the new bulb by aligning its tabs, push it in until it seats, and re-engage the spring or twist the socket clockwise. Make sure not to touch the glass with bare fingers to avoid. Once the bulb is seated and the socket secured, reconnect the electrical plug, replace the dust cap, and fasten any clips or covers you removed. Make sure everything snaps back into place to avoid moisture. Now reconnect the battery if you disconnected it and turn on the headlights to test both low and high beams so you confirm correct operation and aim. If the lamp flickers or doesn't light, make sure the connector is clean and tight, the bulb is fully seated, and check the related fuse before assuming the bulb is defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.